Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the weld bench again. It looks a lot different than last time. This time we got the grinder and wire brush done, and we got the vise all mounted up. And as you can see, we got the toolbox all mounted with all our stuff already in it. I forgot to kind of make a video of us mounting it, but you can see it's pretty much just bolted onto things, and then we built some stuff here. So we'll get around to finishing up the center here and then figuring out what else we're going to do to it, because we got to put some supports and another tire, and then figuring out if we're going to do our extension, because we're talking about putting the plasma cutter here and then putting like a sliding thing so we can like plasma over here. So we'll get around to doing that, probably not today, but sometime in the future. So here's the update on the welding table. Like I said before, we have the grinder now mounted. We got the vise mounted. We got the toolbox I put the extra leg in here, and then I welded in, and I put another caster. I'm thinking we're gonna have to put, like, that one's a straight one, and these ones are rotating one, but I think I'm gonna switch this one out and put a locking one, so then we don't, like, when we want to move it, it won't move. That's just in there for now. I don't got the metal yet, so we can put the plasma cutter in. But what I'm thinking is we're gonna go and put like a angle iron, put rollers so we can roll it out if we want to, and in and out. And then we're gonna build like a shroud, so then nothing, if we're welding or grinding and stuff, it doesn't fall on the plasma cutter. I got the sheet metal bender there, which is awesome because I made this perfectly fitted that I can either drill the holes through here and then just bolt it down whenever I need it and take it out, or it can just go in between here and you just bolt a flat piece to hold it, and then you can bend. I think it bends 20 gauge, so it's pretty good. We were working on this, which is you can remove it if you got something like really big, or you can slide it, like you got about half a foot between these. So if you need a long thing and it goes here, you can put it down in there, or if it's shorter, you can put it here, or if you got things that are like weird where one thing goes in here and another thing goes here, you can make it work, or you can just pull it out. Like I said before, I'm thinking of building like a plasma table, like pull-out thing, so it'll slide under here, then you have here, and then it has like the slots in it, so you can just change them out. I do got to get some more flat metal and stuff so I can actually mount these. I'm gonna think of mounting them like from here to here, so then these all can mount on there so they're not on the table, and then probably another one from there to there, just try to clean it up and then take all the grinders and everything that are on the wall over there, put them on the table so everything's just in one spot. What else? The reason for the actual, like, how big the pieces are is so then we can actually take these and put them in there, so you can actually fold stuff and they go through, everyone's perfectly matched, that it can actually go through, even these ones. So that's why we did the slots. I know guys do holes, and probably later on I'll probably get like a certified weld table, like a certified flat, but right now this is perfect for what we need. And I'm thinking I'm gonna probably, I've seen one where instead of the wire wheel, it's the grinders over here and there's a like a sanding, so I'm thinking I'm gonna switch that out, or I'm gonna go get a true sanding bench sander. So pretty much that's where we got to today on it. On the next video, hopefully we can get the plasma cutter in and get other stuff worked on it, but probably I've done a lot more work on this in the last 2 days than anything else, like actually like not working on the table, but like using it for projects. It's actually pretty, like, I thought, oh, it's just waste of space, but we're actually using it a lot more. Definitely on the truck that's now mounted. I got an update on that, and then we'll get to that. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video.